Rātou kia rātou, tātou e pai nei, tēnā tātou. Welcome once again there, Whanganui, to the Central North Island FAHS 15 rugby clash between Feilding High School and Francis Douglas Memorial College. It's a pleasure to give you coverage alongside my best mate, Dale husband, nei rā te mihi kia koe, Chief.
Tēnā koe e moiho mihi ana kia koe. Me te whānau, great to celebrate the best of our rangatahitanga. And interestingly, this match today is coming to us from Delliston Park, which is in Waverley, somewhat halfway between where these two proud kura are from. Welcome to the Central North Island FAHS 15 clash. We begin by acknowledging all who are watching in today, and of course our whānau from Taranaki and the wider Manawatu region. Desire greatly. Let's go and take in the haka for today's clash. Something of a neutral ground, but it should be an exciting match. Wonderful to have you with us here on Whakaata Māori. Rangatahitanga to the fore here with their efforts on the football field, and a pleasure to welcome you along. And first receipt of the football is Feilding High School. They're running from right to left. Francis Douglas in the red strip, familiar colours. And this settling in period, well, you'd think you've got to get underway very quickly in schoolboy rugby and expect to get some wide, expansive play as these teams get into the grind early on. Just minutes gone. Here's your first kick of the afternoon, and that's taken at the back by Tim Corrigan. He'll angle himself here, Corrigan. He's picked off centre field and trying to deliver at the back. Taylor again pushing the ball out wide. Little knockdown, and then it's picked up here by Feilding. We come away with the football. We've just been singing the praises of Raka. What a powerful run as he delivers to his teammate now. Good position as Feilding mount their real first challenge.
Ai wā tuatahi kua kuhua Feilding ki tēnei takiwā o te whira. Ka arahina e ngā paunua te tīma ko whakawa Galloway tēnei. Kei reira a Tyrell e mahi hawhi peke ana. He oia with the two tira apiti tū.
First line out. And it's been snaffled here by FDMC. And a drive forward, but it's been reefed from the hands of the runner by Wallace McLeod. And now Feilding have possession. Once again, it's a great opportunity for them through the hands. It's into the skipper. Out now once again to Raka. And they continue it out wide, and there's a slam down for victory. Yes, it's Jack Nagel, the left edge runner for Feilding. 12 minutes gone, 5-0. Good climb to secure the football from Oliver Crawford. And here they come. This is Francis Douglas Memorial College. This is what they need. Trying to wrestle that ball loose as Anapu Burke at the back in the number 8 jersey. And ultimately, they'll get the opportunity. In fact, he carries it just an extra couple of metres. Calling for it at the back is Tyrell. He'll work the short side. Little bust through with our man in 7. Inside ball. Smart play. Tyrell keeps it alive on the far side. This is a wonderful passage of play here. And the number 9 carrying it all the way. Beautiful, beautiful run. Length of the field try here from Feilding High School. Yeah, he's been good. This is the skipper. And of course, let the haka today. It's Tuhakarau. Wallace McLeod will kick to touch, but it has been good, great lead-up work from Ella Ferretti.
He just played to the ball, showed some great speed. He's a big man, ran out of gas, poked the penny Heaney, turned it back on the inside to his to his left wing, and Hucky, Mr. Jack Nagel.
He's a really big guy to be in the centres. And I'm sure these boys from Feilding from Francis Douglas will be going, oh, he's got it again, the big fella. So here's the drive. This is what It's all built on too. With cohesion. There they go. Toia mai, and there's the try that's been awarded.
Te namarua, Dale. Taku matapai ko Liam mo taku he ko Blake Greenham. Going from right to left. Big fend back on the inside. This is another big-bodied lad.
Viliamu gets the ball in. They're keeping it just inside touch at the moment. Feilding High School. So they're getting the roll on at the moment, up by 10 and really asking some questions of the defence here from Francis Douglas, who are under pressure as they get themselves back into the red zone and issue another challenge to the try scorer.
Little tip on, nice two-man play there as Greenham marches up the field. Ko tere prei te poro ki te taha matau nai nei, ko topa tahi tēnei. Me tana ārai. Striking off.
This is Feilding High School with it. That'll drive towards the try line here. They've been good in the last 5 or 7 minutes. It looks to me as that as enough has been done as the big number 5 climbs to his feet. Dante Brown, well, again, just reward for a concerted effort. This is CNI and round 5 of the action. Francis Douglas Memorial College in the red and yellow. And, of course, Feilding High School opposing them today. There's the halftime hooter. Great to have you with us. Ko Dale Tēnei and Moiho husband. We'll take a break here on Whakaata Māori, CNI coverage, halftime. Feilding High School 22, Francis Douglas Memorial College 7. That you can't get it on. Surely not. Banging around the Whakaata Māori verse or universe, as well as we send all these images right across the globe. If you are watching from afar, you know, this is where it all starts. And if you think that our major national teams' reputation comes from nowhere, this is where the groundwork is done. I'm not saying that all these guys are going to end up playing for the All Blacks, but there could be somebody who emerges. You just never know. Māori television.
Yeah,
is that what
not?
you're doing?
Hey, we're sick of winning it. There's our Māori.
Turn it up. Turn it up, Moiho. You know, when it goes unmentioned, you know the rule. You know the rule of the rugby field.
Oh, up the was.
Yeah. Enjoying bringing the action here from our young men. To be honest, we're just supportive of our young people. Don't care if they're playing any game. They could be playing darts or
Pigs in a
hockey,
bucket.
Pigs in a bucket, old time backyard kaupapa. The main thing is that they are growing, learning about teamwork, and that's what this is all about. As we see once again another attacking raid down the left edge, more than an attacking raid too. Stepping back in, it's Kuliambaki, and the Flyer gets another try as they ram home the advantage yet again. Strongly, Watson calling for it. FDMC, that ball has gone behind. They'll take time to recover, but still under pressure. As Feilding move forward onto a beautiful carry here from Tim Corrigan. The football only 5 metres away here. FDMC need a bit of a spark. Perhaps that's the spark that needs to come. Isaiah trying to carry them forward, the big guy. They're still in possession. This is the best piece of players. It comes back to Isaiah once again. He's coming towards the try line. Maintains possession and a penalty. So here's the chance that FDMC need. It's a long way home and perhaps unrealistic to think they'll get there at 32-7. But there is still 20 minutes to go. They certainly want to get their names on the scoreboard as well. Maintaining control at the moment, FTMC. Feilding, let's see if they're as good on defence as they have been on attack here today. Still alive. At the scrum base and heading towards the try line, and I think it's been secured. I'm not quite sure of the number. Let's see as he emerges from the pack. Is the young fellow with the headgear on here, Moiho?
E taku mōhio ko te tekau mā iwa katahi anō ka kuhu ki te whira a matua manu tai.
Is into play it at the base of the ruck, delivered up nicely. Pressure on again for Francis Douglas Memorial College, down 20 points. Don't want to concede another. Ball in hand from Monty Gibson. Inching forward, the dominance continues here from Feilding High School. Numbers on the left edge, keeping it alive. Well, they went from coast to coast, and it still hasn't finished as well. Into the hands here of Ngatu, who carries the ball towards the line. You've got to fancy the chances here. Feilding High School on the far side of the field, and the referee will say, boys, I was impressed. And as a commentator, so was I. Alafuneti Raka is your try scorer.
Ka uaua ke atu ngā mahi mā FTMC. Kiki uaua tēnei. Ai, kua hikina ngā haki, kua tohu amaina, pai te kiki. Conversion successful. Ko ia ko te whana tapiri. The tempo for large periods. Feilding High School shown why they're one of the benchmark sides of the CNI rugby. Patient, powerful, and
here he comes.
Ruthless.
Here he comes.
He certainly deserves one.
Lieutenant Wiosia can't quite get across the line. Isaiah this time. And the referee's well on hand. Is he going to call it back? Trying. Watch. Watson delivers up for Jack Walls, who ducks towards the line. But I tell you what, Feilding High School, they've been solid under pressure. Can they maintain their focus here defensively? They've shown why they are one of the benchmark sides in CNI rugby. Can they keep Francis Douglas Memorial College out for a couple of more moments?
How resilient is the Rangi Wawawa of Feilding? It's been about 5 or 6 attempts. Pick and goes 1 metre out from the try line.
And that time, it is the try, and a deserving try as well. As the big lock forward gets up, took a while to come. I don't know. That's the end of the game, and a 20-point margin, and thoroughly deserving as well for Feilding. He just controlled the pace, the tempo, and field position right throughout the game.
It's been awesome bringing you coverage once again of the CNI competition, Central North Island Rugby, live on Whakata Māori, live on our YouTube channels as well. Nā kaua koutou e haere tawhiti, hoki mai koutou, hei ngā rangi whakatānei e tihi atu kēmu I Whanganui ngā kura o tēnei whakataetai 10 schools go battle for the secondary schools Central North Island competition. And at the same time, we have the Super 8 rugby secondary schools live here on Whakata Māori. A big mihi to all the sponsors, Apollo Projects, Caltex, Bailey's, Māori Plus, Anchor, Kōwai atu, Kāti ake, māua ko te o husband e mihi kawana kia koutou ko tūhono mai ki tēnei whakapāhotanga I tēnei ahi. Nei rā te mihi, hoki mai, a te rā wā, kia mautonu mai, mā te wā.